Hey guys, this is YouTube using this video due to someone out here back to with another video. And today, actually yesterday, I actually decided to start doing videos with my Sony camcorder again, the HD one. So of course, so yesterday and today I filmed whole pile of videos, but of course they were gonna be home videos, but of course they are still gonna be home videos, but of course as now I just decided to upload them all to a YouTube. Of course the clips that I filmed yesterday and today, but of course I know that these videos will be uploaded by hopefully by today or tomorrow or so, and for all you guys to see. So of course, yeah. So of course, this is the intro for the videos that I recorded yesterday, Friday, and and of course, yep, and of course and of course I really hope you enjoy the following videos. I'm about to show you guys try that I did yesterday and today. Yep, because I'm really sure you will like them. Yep. The feature really awesome scenic shots from around the touch spot area and around the and around the Samuel area. Let's see, but well, I can't just spoil it for you guys. So, but of course, yes. Yeah. So please enjoy these clips from the past few days. Hey guys, this is gonna be my first home video at about quite a while, and as you can see, I'm here at the house now, and I just figured I start recording my home videos on my HD camcorder. Cause here I am in the living room. Yep, as you can see to the reflection of our television, I got shorts on. Of course, this view out to our window here in the living room. Because as you can see, it is a beautiful afternoon here on the island. Yep, it'll be really pretty nice, nice and clear. Yep, the wind is so blowing. It is Friday afternoon, probably around 21 degrees. Here's the view of the school playground on this beautiful summer afternoon. Yep, here's you speaking to top of Valley's Road over the distance. Yep. Of course, as you can see, got the big fan on. It is really warm. Cause this is so on the cause I'll be doing the regular home videos, featuring the multi videos and previous videos around home and stuff. As you can see, this thing says 27 degrees, which is really not. Yep. Of course, as you can see, it got a whole pile of stuff on my being featured by Roblox characters and Here's Peter Griffin from Family Guy, and here's the welding business just showed you guys, and my Sony video, and my Signal Hill Newfoundland thing. Yeah, here's his camera tower, snow globe, as you see. Here's my camera. And here's himself on top thing here. Got some stuff moved around here, featuring got my record player put over here, and the time is 3:38. Yep. And right here on my record shoulder, featuring Steve Miller Band. And this is my TV stuff over here. Just gotta wait for this to focus now. Here you go, this is my Series XM boombox. And there I am. Hey! As you can see, got me O'Neill shirt on, see? And me shorts. So yeah. So right now I'm just gonna show you guys the patio area. Over here, yeah, on the patio, the guys. As you can see, we got a really nice shot of paradise and CBS in the distance. Yeah, it actually feels really out there. Yep. And over there, that's the toughest question area. We should show you guys many times in my home videos. See, way over there, this that's the highway. Kind of a poor shot of it. Yep. Here's Mountain Pyramid over there in the distance. And of course, we blew out the Spellview Paradise went up in the distance. Went up a few minutes from here when at the picnic tables. It's kind of a good shot of Elvis Pond area. Adams Pond. Yep. Here's the water tower over there. Here in Paris. So it is really out there, guys. Yep. Because I'll be going to home videos with this for now on. And of course, here's a playground over there, guys. And of course, the next motive that we go on will definitely be on this Camcorder 2. Yep. Here's this trampoline. And what else? Of course, we got our patio furniture up now. Yep. Here's the sunny side up there, as you can see. Yep, look at that. Somebody. Yep. Next need to be out in the sun. It's kind of a better sun than Ellis Pond area over there. So yeah. So, well, what I'm going to do now is just show you guys how I think out there. Here's my iPhone right now. In the old Wonderground app, guys. Don't know if you can see this or not. Okay, it's 22 degrees right now. Look at that. Right on the Wonderground app. Yep. Looks like it's what we wore with CBS. Wow, what up? We get close to St. John's. Probably 25 in downtown, huh? Nice. Yep. See what it is at the St. John's Airport. It looks like it's 23 degrees right now. Look at that. Yep. So it is very warm out there right now. Here's a campfire, so hopefully we'll use that someday soon. So I'll be so I'll try to film more outdoor videos very soon, like hopefully next time I am goes to Bloodfire, I'll bring this with me and try many more of my pages. Because for now, this is just a little start about my home video series. So yeah, pretty much. See, so see you later, guys. Over and out. Alright, guys, so I'm out here on the going to give a break now, and this is not the breakout one. As you can see, it is bulk. The chain is bulk on it, as you can see. I'm just gonna show you guys it now. Yep. Yep. So yeah. And of course, it is a beautiful evening out there, probably around 21, 22 degrees. Because right here, it's my new bike. Because right now, I'm just gonna ride it to the period of, and then from there I'll be going to the service of Ferris Water back. So I'm definitely gonna get some clips for you guys while I'm biking, so stay tuned. Well, for the scenery shots. Alright, I made it up here to my first stop, to the Peewee Duff Royal Park statue, and of course here are the new lights they put up there. So it is, by the way, this is new. I never got to do a video on this camcorder over here before. Because I'm right here on the island of Newfoundland, right at the North Javelin Peninsula. We've got a crowd playing ball, and another crowd right over there in the distance. And here we got the skate park over there, and here's the building at the Peewee Duff. Here we sit at the top of Fowler's Road over there. Yep. Because it is a beautiful evening here on the island. Believe it or not. Here's the sunshine. I believe I showed you guys a couple hours ago. It's currently about 21, 22 degrees. I think I mentioned that to you guys a few minutes ago. Here's the statue over there, guys. Check it out. Pretty wiggly. And here's my bike. It is a little after 7 now on Friday evening. Of course, I'm just gonna peek over here before I go down toward the pond, and of course the playground. Yep. There's size over here. Here at Easternmost Peninsula. This is going up towards Mount Pond Road. Yep. What a beautiful evening it is indeed. Few clouds rolling way over there. And of course tomorrow will be let me just show you guys my face. So yes, so tomorrow we'll be making a run over to the Irish Loop Resort, which will be my first time over there at about 4 years, believe that. And of course, yeah, of course, I'm getting some footage over there, like of the resort area and look around the campground it is, and pretty much otherwise that'll be all we do control. But of course, this won't be going on YouTube. But of course, this is kind of like a vlog. But of course, it is actually a home vlog, not a YouTube vlog. So yeah, pretty much. So yeah, pretty nice night over there, guys. Wow. They just installed these recently, and now they're finally up. Yep. So I will get a view of the pond, and then and view of the playground area, and then from there I'll be showing you guys Topsail pond area. So over and out. Okay, so we're up here to the playground now. Just want to give you guys a quick view of this playground before I go down here to Sesame South. Pretty nice playground though. We've been coming here for years. Here's a little walkway to the beach area. Here's another side of a bike. Here's a better side of the skate park over there. Between the soccer field, actually just showing the softball field and the soccer field and this little building over there. And there's another softball field there in the distance. So yeah, it is a beautiful evening out there. Yep. Of course, what I'm going to do now is something that I haven't done in quite a while. I'm just going to keep guys a random video of me swimming. The first time I've done this on home video at about quite a while. So that'd be pretty nice. So let me just give a camcorder to stay in the way, then I'll get to the video. Alright, got my camcorder set up on the little playground TV. And I'm pretty much going to show you guys if I can still do the jumping off the swing stunt, which I still can. I did it, boys. I did it. That was pretty awesome, eh? Learned that back about probably about 10 years ago now. These next two cold boys that leaves a few doors down from me. So yeah. I always love to come here to the PB Duff during the day. Yep, pretty much. Alright, boys, I finally made over to Topsail pond. Yep, and here's the sunshine over there. I can see we got a really nice shot of the boys on the sea-doos. Kind of a good shot at all the properties around here. And trying to see if I can see where the old shack is. Yep. It might be over there, guys. Yep, trying to figure this out. Just trying to see. Here we go. Here's your shack over there, guys. We recently flew back in 2010. 101 Topsail Road it is. Right over there. Here's a little wharf car over there. Yep. What a view. We got all the properties over here. Here's more fish stations over there, and here's another one of them. Here's another one of them over there. Kind of shooting in there close. Yep. So it's pretty even out there. It looks like me a berry start already. And I don't think I got a charger. There's some bars over there now. Here they are. Love shit. Yep. There's still people moving out there though, guys. Yep. Here we just keep from over there, anyways. Yep. As you can see, we got a really rocky beach here. Yep. As for the sandy beaches, yep, the waves are pretty calm over there. Look at these nice sea over there, though. Or whatever you like to call them. Got a little McDonald's cup over here. As you can see, this is where I parked my bike over here. So yeah, I'm right on 3.5 road now, just about at the end of the touch pond, just like over this trailer pond. Yeah, look about the give there. Sorry to show this on my whole video there now. Give her, why go give her? Are you only taking the time? Your boy there, just give her. Loves it. Yep. Always love coming here and viewing the cities go by. Oh yes, by. And not just one, we got two. Check it out. Wow, sick. Only checking the time now, guys. 1 second now. 8:09, I bet. There you go. I was told I live in those other bars to watch these videos. Did they either live here or nearby Sesame South? Let's see for the bars over there. I got two over there, probably at my buddy's house. They said it looks like the period stopped now, for now. Yep, there's probably over here though, guys. There's the sunshine. The sunset showing right over there. I want a view. The sun should be through the horizon now. Yep. Pretty much. Next video will be tomorrow. I'm at home at the RS Resort in Samaria. So over and out, guys. Always how those clips. I thought they were pretty awesome. And of course, yep, since of course I'm filming this, of course the next day, which is which is Saturday the 20th of July, and yes, so pretty much, so of course, yep. So I really hope you liked other clips of my and visit to the Peter Ray Duff and Beck, and of course tour will be even better because I'll have a tour of campground that I was to, which is the Irish Loop Resort. Yep, and of course, what you're going to see is pretty much around the resort, pretty much around the camper, around the campsites, and pretty much all around the campground. So, because overall, the Irish Loop Resort is a pretty awesome campground. The last time I was there was pretty much 4 years ago now, in August 2015. Yep. So, of course, yep. Of course, the last time I was there, it was actually very interesting trip there. Yep. I've actually spent the night there, which was very nice. Yep. So I hope you guys like this video, and of course stay tuned for the Irish Loop tour coming up tomorrow. So over and out.